Hey guys, and LPS11 here, and today I will be showing you how to make your own DIY. I'm making your own DIY. Well, not making DIY, but I'm just gonna be sharpening pencils today. So yeah, I'm just gonna be sharpening pencils. I don't get what's so fun about this. I don't know. It's sharpening. Hard to like. Oh, okay, there. Move stuff. Move. Well, this guy got scared. Sorry, Sky. Okay, so it's getting a little weird, but it's working. It's definitely working. So I'm gonna just pause it and show you what it looks like at the end. Guys, this is the ending results. Yeah, this is the end results. Yeah, let me just show you the stress ball I have right here. Yeah. So yeah, here it is, guys. Anyways, yeah, this is ending result. Yeah, it's also really stretchy, and yeah, it's like, I really like it. All you just use is a balloon and some weird stuff up. But yeah, here, I need it right here. It's like a little small station. Yeah. I'm really happy with the results, because like it's so stretchy, but it like goes back to shape. Like to do it. And yeah, it's really cool. I like it. I think I like it. You guys like it? I like it. Comment below now. I have an idea, guys. Hold on. Don't look. Well, you probably already saw it, so yeah. Hold on. Let me just do the home at the end. Kind of looks like he's dead already. Let's carry on with the pencils, will we? Yeah, guys, here it is. So here's one. Let me just do the other one. Ah, my back is itchy. Okay. You can't really see it right now because I'm just sharpening it. I'm just listening to that stupid music. Can you guys hear it? Okay, back to sharpening this pencil. I only have like 3 pencils. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. This is kind of a bad idea. Why did I make a video about this anyways? Like, why? Why? Just why? It's hard to sharpen with this tiny sharpener. Ugh, and my hands are all sweaty. Look, this is getting impossible. Hold on, let me just do it. Guys, this is the last result, so yeah, let's just throw that right there. And the next one is right here. And yeah, let me just sharpen it. It's kind of hard. It like gets easy and then it gets harder and harder and harder. So yeah, watch out. Just randomly sharpening. Wow. Sharpening. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is hard to sharpen. So hard. Really? Okay, let me just finish it, guys. Okay, guys, so I couldn't sharpen it because of that darn sharpener I have right now. But yeah, it was kind of a fail. So yeah, you're a failure. Squash! Okay, guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys thought. Bye!